Imagine you're exploring the darkest depths of the ocean. Your submarine's lights cut through the black water, and suddenly, a creature appears. It has impossibly long arms stretching far into the darkness. Its body hangs motionless, almost like a ghost. Its elbows bend at bizarre angles, making it look less like a squid and more like an alien from another world. This is the Bigfin Squid, one of the rarest and most mysterious creatures ever captured on camera. Scientists know surprisingly little about it, and every sighting raises more questions than answers. Today, we're diving into the strange world of the Bigfin Squid. Welcome back to Bone Depths Trivia. The deep sea is home to some of the most bizarre creatures on Earth, but few are as mysterious as the Bigfin Squid. Unlike giant squids or colossal squids, the Bigfin Squid isn't famous for its size. Instead, it's famous for how unbelievably strange it looks. And some scientists consider it one of the most mysterious animals in the entire ocean. The Bigfin Squid belongs to a group called Magnapina. The name literally means large fin. And if you look at one, you'll immediately understand why. Its fins are enormous compared to the rest of its body. But the fins aren't what make this creature famous. What truly stands out are its arms and tentacles. These appendages can extend many times the length of its body. In some sightings, they appear to stretch dozens of feet into the darkness. The result is a creature that looks almost unreal. Many people who first see footage of the Bigfin Squid assume it's computer-generated, but it's completely real. One reason the Bigfin Squid remains so mysterious is because it lives incredibly deep underwater. Most sightings occur thousands of meters below the ocean's surface. This region receives no sunlight whatsoever. Temperatures are near freezing. The pressure is crushing. Yet somehow, the Bigfin Squid thrives in this extreme environment. Scientists have recorded Bigfin Squids in oceans around the world. They've been observed in the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Indian Ocean. This suggests they may be far more widespread than we once believed. The problem is that they're rarely seen. The deep sea is vast, and spotting one is like finding a needle in a haystack. The Bigfin Squid's most unusual characteristic is the way it holds its arms. Unlike most squids, its arms bend sharply downward. This creates an elbow-like appearance. The long arm filaments then trail below the animal. Scientists aren't entirely sure why it does this. One theory suggests the squid drifts through the water while using these long appendages to detect prey. Imagine fishing lines hanging in the darkness. Small creatures may accidentally touch these filaments and reveal their location. Another possibility is that the squid uses them to capture food directly. Unfortunately, because sightings are so rare, researchers still don't know exactly how it hunts. Every new video provides only small clues. For decades, scientists knew almost nothing about Bigfin squids. Most evidence came from damaged specimens caught in fishing nets. Then, deep-sea exploration technology improved. Remote-operated vehicles, also known as ROVs, began exploring deeper than ever before. These robotic submarines started capturing footage of living Bigfin squids in their natural habitat. Each sighting created excitement among marine biologists. Why? Because every encounter was an opportunity to learn something completely new. Even today, there are only a limited number of confirmed observations. That's incredibly rare for an animal that may live across much of the world's oceans. When people describe the Bigfin Squid, one word comes up repeatedly: alien. And it's easy to see why. Its tiny body, its massive fins, its impossibly long arms, its ghost-like movement through the darkness. Everything about it seems unfamiliar. In fact, if this creature were discovered on another planet, many people would have no trouble believing it. But that's what makes deep-sea exploration so fascinating. Sometimes the most alien-looking creatures aren't found in outer space. They're found right here on Earth. Despite years of research, major questions remain unanswered. How long do bigfin squids live? How large can they really grow? How do they reproduce? What exactly do they eat? Scientists still don't know. The deep ocean remains one of the least explored places on our planet. Some estimates suggest we've explored only a tiny fraction of it. That means countless mysteries are still waiting to be discovered. And among those mysteries, the bigfin squid remains one of the most intriguing. The next time you think we've discovered everything on Earth, remember the bigfin squid. A ghostly creature drifting through the darkness thousands of meters below the waves. Rarely seen, poorly understood, and still keeping many of its secrets hidden. If you enjoyed this deep-sea adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Bone Depths Trivia for more incredible creatures from the depths of the ocean.